napakahalaga po itong mensahe na to. Well, you know why? Because it's all about eternal. Many people nowadays, what they are preparing is not for eternal. It means temporary. Amen? And later they found out, noon sa huling hilingan ng kanilang buhay, hindi pala mahalaga ang lahat. Hindi pala mahalaga yung mag-accumulate ka ng maraming material wealth or magkaroon ka ng high degree of profession, and yet you lose your eternal calling. Yes, maaaring magkaroon ka ng eternal salvation, but if you lose your eternal calling, ito po yung nakakapanghinayang. Naalala ko yung sabi ni Ma'am Maylene na ang pinakamayamang lugar sa mundong ito, hindi yung Amerika, hindi yung Israel, kundi yung sementeryo. Dahil maraming potensyal or calling na hindi nagawa. Na-discover na lang nila to the very end ng buhay na kung saan nung mahuhugutan na ng hininga, doon nila namalayan, sayang pala. At minsan, lagi natin sinasabi, kung maibabalik ko lang. Di ba?
Yeah.
So, hindi na natin maibabalik yung nakaraan. But right now, tayo po ngayon buhay. Still alive. Merong chances na nandito ngayon sa gawain. And we have a chance to choose our destiny. To choose our destiny. Amen? Marami pong hindi nagagawa yung kanilang eternal calling. Para magawa natin yung eternal calling natin, sabi ni, use me, mold me, and I give my life to my Creator. To the one who created me. And that is the time na unti-unti madidiscover mo yung iyong eternal calling.